Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this 36-inch metal storage cabinet that this brand sent to me for this video, which you can put anywhere actually. We're in the kitchen because I think this is a really good scenario just to show you this one, because you can put a lot of kitchen stuff. You can put some like things that you're going to be using every day. You can put some snacks, you can put some cans, you can put some pasta, you can put some, you can put anything you want. But also, this one may be really good to take it to an office, for example, mainly because it also comes with a key. So with the key, you will be able to just like lock it if you want and just put anything that you want to be locked in your office or any other way. So that is really cool. But remember, you can put it anywhere, especially in a kitchen like this one. Actually, you can also mount it against the wall if you also want. It comes with everything you need. And you can actually use it on shelves if you also want and put it against the wall, but kind of like on a standing position taller than just on the floor. And also, by the way, size wise, this is about 36 inches tall, 31.5 inches wide, and about 16 inches deep. So you have a lot of space with this one. Okay, so take a look. As a kitchen cabinet, you have the two handles, which are kind of like nice and painted. So these are gonna be kind of like a nice decoration as well. Assemble wise, this one took me, I think, 20 or 25 minutes, no more than that. Super easy. And then you will have the door right here with the lock. And you also have this other door that works the same way. So a couple things about this one. You're going to have all the instructions right here, which are going to be really easy to follow and super easy. You don't even need almost no tools, just a screwdriver, and that's it. And talking about this one, these brackets are going to go on the inside. I didn't actually put them because this was firm enough before putting this one. So I said, you know what, I'm not going to put them, but you can put them if you also want. And the other thing that I really like about this one is that you can manage the height of the actual shelves. You can change the height of the shelf. So in here, you can put some cans. In here, you can put some snacks. And in here, you can put some drinks, for example. But if you want to go like super small, like kind of like right here or something like that, you can do it as well by changing the height of the actual shelf. So that is another good thing that I like about changing the height. Of course, that's going to be for the lock. But you close this one and then you close the other one and then put up the key and you're all set. This one won't open, so that is really good for also kids if you have. So bottom line, you can put this one anywhere, but on the kitchen, this will be really good, as well as the office. With the lock, easy assemble, 36 inches tall, and super convenient to have to get everything organized.